Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about prepositions. This is the definition of a preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with other words in a sentence. Next is use and example. First one is use of on. When we talk about date, when we talk about date, we use preposition on. Example, on the on 10th June 1994, I celebrate my birthday. So before date, we use preposition on. When we talk about festival or holiday, when we talk about festivals and holidays, we use on. Examples, on Christmas Day, on Diwali. When we talk about days, we use on Monday, on Tuesday, on Thursday, etc. When we talk about surfaces, we use on. Example, the book is on the table. It means the book is on the surface of the table. One more example I would like to explain, on the roof. Here we are talking about surfaces. Use of in. With large places, we use preposition in, such as countries, continents, cities, etc. Examples, in Europe, in Delhi, in New York. These are big places, so we are using preposition in. Before years, we use preposition in. In 1994, in 1986. When we talk about seasons, we also use in. In summer, in the winter. Before, when we talk about any month, we use in June, in Feb, in March, etc. When we talk about parts of day, when we talk about parts of day, we use in. Examples, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Next one is use of to. When we talk about destination or directions, we use preposition to. Examples, I am going to Germany. I am going to market. So these sentences, in these sentences, we are talking about destination or directions. So we are using here to, preposition to. Preposition to is also used for comparison. Example, I prefer coffee to tea. Next example, I gave my book to my friend. Next one is use of at. Preposition at is used with small places. Examples: at the bus stop, at the museum, at the airport. At is also used before these words. Examples: at the end of the river, at the top of the page. At is also used for specific time. Examples: at night, at 3 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, at 10 a.m., at the moment, at sunrise, at lunchtime. Next one is use of by. Use of by to express travel. To express travel, we use preposition by. By train, by car. To talk about, to express travel, we use by. By train, by car. In a sentence, we can speak, Riya is going to Delhi by train. To express communication, we use by email, by phone. In the sentences, I received the order by email. Contact us by phone. By is also used in reflexive pronoun. Examples: I visited London by myself. She is studying by herself. Time expression. It is also used for time. Do this work by Friday. Tomorrow she will come here by 11 a.m. Use of between and among. Between and among. These words have similar meaning, but uses are different from each other. Between and among. These words have similar meaning. Between and among means के बीच में. But one more important thing, between is used for two, among is used for more than two. Examples: Lucy is sitting between Maria and Ria. We are talking about two persons, Maria and Ria. So we are using here between. Next one, the food was shared among 10 girls. In this sentence, we are talking about 10 girls. So we will use among. Next, use of beside, near. These words have similar meaning. John sat beside the window. The cat is sitting near a chair. Use of besides. Besides means in addition to, यानी इसके अलावा या इसके अतिरिक्त. Examples: besides repairing the tap, the plumber replaced the sink. Second, besides teaching Hindi, I also taught him English. Students, I will come soon with next video. Thanks for watching.